Okay, I told myself I was just going to look, window shop, browse a little. Fast forward to me placing a down payment on something gold, clover shape, and slightly addictive. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm so excited to finally unbox my Van Cleef Arpels Vintage Alhambra 10 motif necklace in hammer yellow gold, along with the matching earrings. I ordered this back in May this year during a trip to Taiwan, and after months of waiting, they're finally here. When I visited the VCA boutique in Taiwan, they didn't have this set on display. They only had a few five motif in stones like mother of pearl, malachite, and carnelian, and one 10 motif mother of pearl necklace. Now, don't get me wrong, the mother of pearl was absolutely beautiful, very soft and classy, but I knew it wasn't the right choice for me. First of all, mother of pearl is delicate and it needs extra care to preserve its luster, and I wanted something I could wear more often, even every day. I prefer something solid like pure gold because it's more durable, easy to maintain and store, easy to carry, and often gains value. Plus, I'm not supposed to wear a mother of pearl based on my zodiac sign, so that kind of made the decision easier for me. I spent some time choosing between the hammered yellow gold and the guilloché or guilloche finish. Both are gorgeous in their own ways. The guilloche has that mirror-like finish. It reflects light beautifully and it has this luxurious, radiant look. But it's also very prone to scratching, so it's better suited for special occasions. The hammered version, also called martel, has a beautiful textured surface that gives off a soft organic shimmer. And what I love is that scratches don't really show. So it's perfect for daily wear. So this design comes from the Vintage Alhambra collection, which was first launched in 1968 by Van Cleef Arpels. The motif is inspired by a four-leaf clover symbolizing luck, love, health, and fortune, something many people wear not just for style, but also for its meaning. Each motif is framed with pearl beading, which gives it that signature soft and elegant silhouette. It's timeless, which is probably why it's one of their most iconic collections. So for the moment I've been waiting for, let's open both. This came with two chocolates each, but my daughter asked for them, so they're no longer here. Also, just like in Japan where I purchased my vintage Alhambra guilloche pendant necklace, they didn't give any travel pouches because I had to choose the box over the pouch. As for the cleaning cloth, they said that they'll just send it as soon as it becomes available, hopefully. So this is the 10 motif hammered yellow gold vintage Alhambra in 18 karat. It catches the light in this beautifully subtle way. It's not flashy, but it's so elegant. This one is pretty heavy. You can say it's substantial, but if you look at the value of the gold compared to the price, it's not worth it. That's just how it is. What you're really paying for is the craftsmanship and the brand. And these are the matching earrings, just as classic and wearable. I love that they're timeless enough for every day, but still make a quiet statement. So, how did I get this if they weren't always available in store? I placed a 50% down payment and when I ordered in Taiwan last May, a few months later, I received an email saying the pieces were ready. Since I couldn't travel, I asked someone I trusted to pick them up for me, and once they confirmed everything, I paid the remaining balance. Pretty straightforward. But yes, it required some patience. My goodness, they really are pretty. Oh, anyway, I'm super happy with this choice. The hammered yellow gold is perfect for someone like me who wants something durable, low maintenance, and still undeniably elegant. If you're deciding between the hammered and guilloche finish, or even between stone motifs, I hope this gave you a bit of insight based on real life wearability. Let me know in the comments, would you go for the sparkle of guilloche or the everyday glow of hammered gold? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!